Did you know those tiny chia seeds were a staple food of the ancient Aztecs? These small but mighty seeds played a crucial role in their diet and culture. Revered for their energy-boosting properties, chia seeds fueled warriors and long-distance runners. They were considered essential for maintaining stamina and strength during long journeys and battles. Today, this ancient grain is experiencing a resurgence in popularity, and for good reason. Modern science has confirmed what the Aztecs knew all along. Chia seeds are incredibly nutritious. Packed with nutrients and surprisingly versatile, chia seeds are a true superfood. They can be easily incorporated into a variety of dishes, from smoothies to salads. Chia seeds are tiny, but don't let their size fool you. These little seeds pack a powerful punch when it comes to nutrition. They are a nutritional powerhouse, delivering a concentrated dose of fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants. Just a small amount can significantly boost your daily nutrient intake. Whether you're looking to boost your energy levels, support your digestive system, or enhance your overall health, or simply add a nutritional punch to your meals, chia seeds are an excellent addition to your diet. Their versatility and health benefits make them a must-have in any modern kitchen. One of the most remarkable benefits of chia seeds is their high fiber content. These tiny seeds pack a powerful punch when it comes to nutrition. Just a single serving, about 2 tablespoons, provides a whopping 10 grams of fiber, nearly half of the recommended daily intake. This makes chia seeds an incredibly efficient way to boost your fiber consumption. Fiber is essential for digestive health, promoting regularity and preventing constipation. Including chia seeds in your diet can help maintain a healthy digestive system, but the benefits of fiber don't stop there. It also aids in the absorption of nutrients and helps maintain a balanced gut microbiome. Fiber also helps regulate blood sugar levels, keeping you feeling full and satisfied after meals. This can prevent overeating and help maintain a stable energy level throughout the day. This can be particularly helpful for individuals with type 2 diabetes or those looking to manage their weight. The high fiber content slows down the absorption of sugar, preventing spikes in blood sugar levels. Additionally, fiber plays a crucial role in heart health by lowering bad cholesterol levels and reducing the risk of heart disease. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet can be a simple yet effective way to support overall cardiovascular health. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet is surprisingly easy. Their mild, nutty flavor makes them incredibly versatile. Sprinkle them on salads, yogurt, or oatmeal for a satisfying crunch. Blend them into smoothies for a nutritional boost that won't weigh you down. You can even use chia seeds to thicken soups and sauces, thanks to their unique ability to absorb liquid and form a gel. This gel-forming property also makes chia seeds an excellent egg replacement in vegan baking. Experiment with different ways to use chia seeds and discover your favorite ways to enjoy this nutritional powerhouse. Section 4, the secret weapon, Chia Seed Gel. Want to take your chia seed game to the next level? Try making chia seed gel. This versatile ingredient is not only easy to prepare, but also incredibly nutritious. This simple preparation unlocks a world of culinary possibilities, adding texture and nutrients to your meals. To make chia seed gel, simply combine 1/4 cup of chia seeds with 1 cup of water in a jar or container. Stir well and let sit in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or overnight. The longer it sits, the thicker it gets. The chia seeds will absorb the liquid and transform into a thick, pudding-like gel, perfect for various recipes. Chia seed gel can be used in countless ways, making it a staple in your kitchen. Add it to smoothies for extra creaminess and a nutritional boost, enhancing both flavor and texture. Use it as a base for healthy puddings and desserts, creating delicious and guilt-free treats. You can even use it as a vegan egg replacement in baking, making your recipes more inclusive and nutritious. Section 5. Join the Chia Revolution. From boosting energy levels to supporting digestive health, chia seeds offer a myriad of health benefits. Their versatility and ease of use make them a welcome addition to any diet. So why not give chia seeds a try? You might just discover your new favorite superfood. What are your favorite ways to enjoy chia seeds? Share your tips and recipes in the comments below.